Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jimmy, aka Savvy Crypto Investor. Just wanted to follow up on BitConnect.com. I'm sorry, .co. Um, I've I put a little bit of money in here because a lot of people have been posting positive reviews and positive comments, as well as posting videos for the money that they've been able to invest into the lending platform, as well as reinvest and even be able to take money out. So I'm sure you will be able to go and find plenty of videos to verify that it does pay out. Um, I really just want to reinvest the little bit of money that I am making, just to try it out and see what happens. And I want to be able to show this to you in a video. So in case you have any questions, you can also do this on your own after watching this video. So in the beginning, I went ahead and deposited Bitcoin. It showed up in my Bitcoin wallet right here. And then I did an exchange. The exchange kind of is a slow process. So pretty much what you have to do is you have to submit. Usually you want to keep it at last, hit all or a specific amount of Bitcoin you want to convert, and then hit buy as quickly as you can, because this price fluctuates and changes so quickly. You can see right here, someone put it up for 493, and then someone else right behind them, 494, 496, 4,000. These are all still open buy orders, and they're going to stay open. So if you do this really quickly, hit buy connect BitConnect coin. If you do it really quickly at the last price, generally you can submit and get a sell order at the same time. But if you don't, you can cancel it and you can create a new one and just keep doing that until it goes through. But otherwise, it'll be sitting out here for God knows how long. I mean, if it goes up, you might have to wait for it to come all the way back down before someone is willing to buy it from you. Or I'm sorry, until someone's willing to sell at the bid that you put in there. So just take that little note. Go back to I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Once you got some BitConnect in your wallet, you can transfer it over. When you go to lend it, you cannot lend less than $100. So therefore, you might as well just deposit $100. But to be honest with you, you can't reinvest until you get to $10. So if you're earning anywhere from 1 to 2%, and I'll show you that real quick. As you can see, the last couple days earned almost 1%, 135, 133, 1.59. There was one day last week we earned 1.88. Here you go. On 10/30 we earned 1.88. And this is what I really like about this site. It keeps track of the daily rate of interest. And you can see short term, you can see long term, 3, 6 months. You can see a year. You can see there's been days as high as, what is that, 5%, 4.8%, 4.26. So there's going to be those days. But if you look here, you can see a whole bunch of 2%, and mostly 1.5, 1.2 to 1.5 is not all that uncommon. So as you can see here, I bet if I took the average, I bet I could find what the average is and give you a bell curve and everything for some statistical analysis over time. So I might just do that later on. But if you look over the last 6 months, its rate of interest is 0.95% for a 6-month period. So let's just say you put $100 in here, and you're just going to accept the rate of interest. You're not going to reinvest any amount of money. The term would be 299 days. That's when you get your money back. And as you can see, the profit analysis says $284 ROI. With the initial principal as well as the profit returned to you at the end of 299 days, you'd have $384. So that's pretty encouraging. And the fact is there's lots of people posting videos right now that show proof of payment, proof that this money is going back into their accounts. So, BitConnect.co, it seems like a pretty legit platform, and it seems like they're operating a business that is set up to benefit the investors. And even though it's a small percentage, I'm sure they're also earning a percentage off of every trade that they transact. So we're both making money, and that's only fair. In capitalism, both parties should be making money. If there's a transaction, there should be some value transferred back and forth. I sell you a product for $5. I receive the $5. You get a $5 product, or maybe the value isn't quite $5, but that's what the fee is to transfer the value, because I'm taking into account shipping and handling and storage fees and other things. So this is a great setup. This is my best recommendation right now. I'm not an expert in cryptocurrency yet. I just started learning a couple weeks ago, but this seems like a pretty stable and reliable platform. So I'm going to go ahead and show you now that I've accumulated $10 in my lending wallet. So I'm going to go to transactions. I'm going to click on lending wallet, and you can see each and every day, here's my initial deposit that I lent to BitConnect, and here's my daily profit. As you can see, it matches 1.33, 1.35, 0.87, 0.97. That matches the percentage from the lending wallet volatility software interest chart that you see here. Okay, so 0.97, 0.87, 1.35, 1.33, and 1.59. So all that matches. Okay, so as far as that's concerned, I feel like that's pretty legit. I'm going to go ahead and reinvest, although it's not going to really earn me that much more. I am really excited that it's going to just an extra 10 cents. Who cares? It's just going to be nice to reinvest this, to use that compounding type of interest earning to be able to generate more income. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click all, which I already did. Actually, let me start over. So you can only lend from your BitConnect wallet here. You can only lend a minimum of $100 increments, but you can go all the way up to 100,000 apparently. You have to click the little read the terms of use and agree, and then you'll pay from the BitConnect wallet and actually lend the company the money that they can use for the trade bot. After you start accumulating some interest, which in my opinion, $1,000 would be the best way to start, because you get 1%, which would be around $10 or more per day, and then you can immediately start reinvesting that money from day number 2. Okay, so once you get in here, you click all. It'll show you the amount it's going to transfer. The rest of it will go stay in your BitConnect wallet. Hit reinvest, and then confirm. Keep in mind this will stay locked for 299 days. That's fine. Bam, success. I just added $10 to my lending wallet. Okay, then if you look back at transactions and go back to lending wallet, you will see that reinvest 10.2, leftover amount 0.2. So I reinvested 10.2, it kicked back 0.2 back to me. Okay, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'd love to answer them for you, or if you have any comments, just share with us. Please like the video by clicking on the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.